Nothing Phone 2 launch timeline, key specifications leaked. Nothing Phone 1 was one of the most popular smartphones of 2022. The Nothing Phone 1 is the first smartphone from Carl Pei-led UK-based tech firm called Nothing. The company claims that the Nothing Phone 1 is the best-selling smartphone in its segment, and as per a latest report by My Smart Price, the company has started working on its second smartphone. According to the report, Nothing has started to work on the Nothing Phone 2, which will succeed the Nothing Phone 1. Nothing CEO Carl Pei recently revealed that the Nothing Phone 2 will make its debut later this year, and it will be a more premium smartphone. The Phone 2 is believed to launch in Q3 2023, and few of the specifications of the device have already been leaked online. Nothing Phone 2 rumored specifications. Nothing Phone 2, codenamed A065, is rumored to pack an AMOLED display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 1 is believed to be powered by an unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series chipset that will help the smartphone to stand in the flagship segment. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series chipset in the Nothing Phone 2 will likely be paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. In terms of design, the Nothing Phone 2 is expected to follow similar design language as the Phone 1, but with a premium approach. It will likely use much better material and also sport an extra sensor. When it comes to battery, the Phone 2 will likely be backed by a 5000 mAh battery. As the Nothing Phone 1 was a mid-range smartphone, the Nothing Phone 2 is expected to touch the premium segment with a better chipset, camera and other specs. Just like the Phone 1, the Phone 2 will also run on Android-based Nothing OS.